Android Auto has provided its services to millions of its users for many years, but now people are angry because of this bug. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The popular driving companion app from Google, Android Auto, has helped the people using their phone apps more easily while driving by connecting their phone to car's display, allowing the user to use navigation, read messages, control music apps like Spotify, and make hands-free calls. But now, people are coming with their complaints on Reddit saying there's some major bugs related to the popular music streaming app Spotify. A lot of users have highlighted that the Spotify widget on their Android Auto dashboard has a bug. They're complaining that instead of showing song information and reaction controls, it only says tap to open, and that's even when music or podcasts are playing. Some even said that the car is controlling the app. Is the AI finally taking over? They claim that the play or skip button isn't working. This particular bug seems to have started in July, just as Spotify was pushing its new Jam feature. The second bug causing users being mad is the washed out screen. Users claim that the Android Auto's display has got a lot weaker, which means what used to be black is appearing gray now, and the overall contrast is just worse. While many people believe the Spotify bug would be fixed with the app's new update, but the washed out screen thing has to be fixed by Google servers. But one thing to be kept in mind is that there's no such update from any of the two companies regarding how these bugs would be fixed and how long it'll take. So these were the bugs that were making people mad. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.